favorite brioche. Isa lang puro. Cheesecake, passion fruit. This one, cheesecake Oreo. Parang sarap. Try natin. Ano naman to? Cheesecake strawberry. Meron pala silang mga slice ng the cheesecake sa Spud Shed. I didn't know what all. Ngayon ko lang nalaman. Meron din silang, ito, strawberry cheesecake. Ayan I didn't know that. May brownie. Ay, that's nice. May mga bacon and cheese roll. Very nice. Pwede ka pala dito bumili ng mga pang-party. Diba? Ito yung paborito kong drink. Kaya lang. Nagmahal na siya, guys. May orange gin, may apple, may fruit cocktail. Gusto ko ito yung fruit cocktail. Parang na-try ko na, nakalimutan ko lang. Guys, ang sarap na to, as in 5,429. Ano siya, yung chili garlic flavor na mushroom. Kasi sa Coast, wala siya. Ano lang, ano yung flavor nun? Parang original. Parang ito. Masarap. Magpapatasuin natin kasi ang liit. Surprise! Open! That's a lot, so you're just gonna have a little bit, okay? So tomorrow you can have a little bit more. You can have only 5 worms, okay? You wanna open? Yeah, because you're a good girl today. Yeah? Just only this one. Oh, you wanna open? This one from here. Yeah. Okay, only that not too much. Alright, and then this is the cover, okay? Only 5, so you count how many you eat. How many you have now? 1? 1. So 5 only, ha? Okay. Because it's not good if you eat too much. Say good morning! Good morning, people! Ngayon ako nakapag-intro because busy this morning. Ang daming ginagawa. And this girl nagising ng late. So, sabi ko, mag-ready ka na kasi malilate ka sa ballet. Today is her first day back to ballet. Since, ano ba? Yeah, third term. Term 3. So, yeah, kakastart nila 2 weeks ago, which is timing. Umuwi kami ng Pilipinas. How many is that na? So, 3 na ha? Count it. So, ayun, ngayon lang siya nag-start. Almost 5, yeah. Anyway, bili tayo ng food for daddy. Punta tayo ng Mr. Banh Mi. Vietnamese restaurant siya. And, yeah, doon tayo bili ng ng pang-lunch natin. So, while she was in ballet, nag-grocery ako kasi 45 minutes yung ballet. So, sabi ko, sayang pag nandun lang ako sa studio naghihintay. And then, ang dami ding mga parents dun naghihintay. So, wala din akong chair na upuan. Sabi ko, mag-grocery tayo. Kasi gusto ko gumawa ng lumpia, Shanghai. So, maglulumpia ako mamaya. So, yeah. Okay, so nakadalawang bag tayo sa Spud Shed. Sabi ko di ako bibili ng super dami, pero nakadalawang bag tayo. Yung dinala kong bag is isa lang, which is this Coles. And maliit lang siya. But, nakadalawa tayo this time. Nung Sunday, which is Saturday kami dumating. Sunday, si V tsaka si Mia pumunta sila ng Coles. Pero konti lang din naman binili nila mga fruits and Mia's milk para sa cereal. And muffins. I'll eat soon. I'll just do a haul. Alright, well, let's make the day a coffee first. Okay, iced coffee for Daddy. Vietnamese coffee because he can't live without coffee in a day. Aray! Pagga, ang init, sis. Okay. I put a lot of water that day. Uh-oh. I put a lot of water. How many coffee did you put? 1 or 2?
Just one. Don't put too much water.
I did already. I forgot. Add tayo ng isa. Kasi normally 2 yung nilalagay ko. But daddy only put 1. Si Mia di pa nakabihis pero naglalaro na siya. Tingnan nyo. Oh, busy-busy siya dyan. Oh. Nila-line up na naman niya yung mga collection niya na Paw Patrol. Adik yan sa Paw Patrol. Put more water. Kasi parang ubos na yung ice. Ang dami pa naman ba? This coffee is ready. Patikim nga. So good. Makain na siya. I ordered daddy the banh mi. It's good. Combination siya, guys. Yung, what do you call that in English? That bread. Baguette, no?
Yeah.
Baguette with so many things inside. That's how it looks like, oh. Yeah, my carrots with the roast pork, ham. Masarap siya, guys. But mine is different. I got my usual. Pag nag-order ako doon, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. It's the spring roll with the grilled pork noodle salad. Ayan. So, yun yung lagi kong kinakain pag nag-order ako doon sa Mr. Banh Mi. Kasi masarap siya. At minsan-minsan lang din ako kumakain yan. Kasi normally talaga rice ako, guys, pag lunch. Anyway, busy na dun si Mia. Mag-haul na tayo. Back to this bag. Ayan, mag-haul tayo. Alright, I'm gonna make lumpia Shanghai. May time pa naman siguro ako. But yeah, we're gonna have dinner outside later. Dun sa lola ni Skylar and Stella. Dalawang toge. Daddy, you want to drink this? Coconut. I got 2 coconuts. 2 for $7. May brioche. Ayan. Onion. So, shed pala ako na grocery, guys. Green beans. Ito yung aking pork mince para sa spring roll. And the luya. 500 grams lang to. And then, bumili na naman ako ng bag. Dami-dami ko ng bag. Ito. So, shed talaga siya na bag. Which is okay lang. I got these winter warmers kasi yeah. Hala! Mia, don't do that. It's gonna break. Ayan. Only for $2.99. Yeah. So, sabi ko, why not? Bili na lang natin. And then, we have gummies. Ito yung kinain ni Mia kanina. Na wag na natin ipakita kasi pag naalala niya, good luck. And we have this yogurt mini. Frozen yogurt na mini. Masarap to, guys. As in, ako din kumakain yan. Hindi siya ice cream. Yogurt frozen talaga siya. So, yeah, I like it. We have watermelon. Ang spring roll pastry. Iba yung spring roll nila. But, yeah, try natin to. Baka masarap. Diba? So, ayan. Gamitin natin yan mamaya. We have the juice, mango juice, and the peach juice. So, dalawa lang yung kinuha ko. Kasi nagmahal na siya. Before, $1 something lang siya, diba? Or $2. Yung $3.99 na siya, guys. And ito, maliit siya. Hindi na siya malaki. Yung nabili ko ng isang araw, parang malaki. Ng isang araw. Tagal ko na pala nabili. So, we have this mushroom crisp na smoked chili and garlic flavor. Masarap siya. Kinain ko yung akin kahapon. And, matagal ko na nabili yun, pero kahapon ko lang siya nakain. Tatlo, guys. And I have the cheesecake Oreo from Sponge. So, yan. And then ito, diced ano na siya? Diced pork. Yan. So, that's what it looks like. Let's get wet. Paw Patrol is on the road. Yan. So, yun lang yung nabili natin. We are done. So, mga $83, $85 yung na bayaran ko dun.
No, Marshall is white and black and red. Mommy, did you know?
Is, alam dami.
No, Mommy. Mommy, wait.
Isa lang spring roll. Bakit isa lang?
Mommy, wait. Did you know? Marshall has his red. That's why Marshall is red.
Is it?
Yeah. The hat is red.
Bakit isa lang yung spring roll? Ano ba yan? They change that. Ito guys, isa lang yung spring roll. Naman na dalawa. Last time walang spring roll. Ngayon, konti lang. Ha? Ask daddy. Na spill pa yung aking pesos. Ayan, kain tayo. Miyakam. Di tuloy enough ang aking pesos. Pero meron naman kami doon na mix na. Mas sabi ko damihan yung pearl.
Never let him get you down. Gonna make you stay just fine. 이대로 모자라지도 넘치지도 않아. Cause I got my collection. 따뜻한 물에 bathe. 향기 가득한 로션 촉촉해줘. My cocoa bomb. Oh, I don't care what they say. I like it, I go la 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 la. I like it, I just wow 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 wow. Oh baby, say it and make it a day brighter day. I like it, I go la 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 la. I like it, I just wow 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 wow. Oh baby, it's alright to be right. Cause on and on, yeah. 뒤투어 한길 하얀 벚꽃만 바랬던 날 거꾸로서길 바랬던 예전 소원 이룬 날 언어의 문자 사탕 같은 말 숨기세요.
What's the orange thing?
It's inside. Put it
Inside
inside.
this green one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you have to roll it up, and up, and it's inside there. Oh, yes. I want it. This is kind of little jack. It's like a gun. Hey,
Oh, just stay there, Mia. Listen.
Ow!
Hmm.
Shoot in. Huh? Where is it?
The what?
What's the bubbles?
Gone.
Where is them?
The papa ready. The papa ready.
No, I mean there's no bubbles in here.
There's more. Press it.
No, there's not. I'm already pressing.
Let me see. Finish. Look at that's how quick it is. That's so quick. There's more. Oh no, battery.
Battery
Asa
charge.
dito change the battery. Hello guys! Nakalimutan ko na nagbablog pala ako. So, gumagawa ako ngayon ng spring roll. So, ito na yung mga na-mix ko. Ayan. So, I'm just doing the wrapper. Pero nag-start na ako, guys. May 3 na akong nabalot. And itatry ko. So, I'm heating up my pot para, yeah, i-deep fry ko siya. Yung wrapper na to, mahirap siya i-separate. Nahirapan ako i-separate siya. So, may nilagay na akong isa. Si Mia, nanonood lang ng Paw Patrol. Ano na naman yan? May kinuha ka na naman?
I'm getting my sword. Godzilla.
Well, you,
After they eat.
yeah. You can bring 2 so you can give it to them. Hintayin na lang namin yung pinsan ni V
Can I
para
have more at the seminar?
more. You already have 1.
Please.
Tapos, punta kami sa ano niya.
Mommy, it comes here to tap the last one.
Okay, last one ha.
Yeah, and I will just not open.
Okay, and eat it after dinner with Cal and Stella. So, hinintay na lang namin yung pinsan ni V and then we will go to Cal and Stella's grandparents' house. Kasi matagal na daw sila nag-iaya na mag-dinner sa kanila. Timing daw lagi na may flu si V, so hindi kami nakakapunta. Anyway, let's check our spring roll. Tapos try natin. Nag-try na din ako, nagprito ako dito kanina. Okay naman siya. Parang medyo maalat nga eh. But we will see here. And first time ko gamitin yung wrapper na to. So sana, masarap yung wrapper na to. So yan yung nagawa na natin. This one and that one. So 4 pa lang guys. And ito try ko din ilagay sa puff pastry. Ito. Kanina pa to nakato. Feeling ko nag-ano na siya. Nag-dry ng konti. And then, ilagay ko to sa oven. Preheat ko na siguro. Daddy, can you help me, like, take all the wrapper? Just wait.
You're gonna bring that over there?
No, I just wanna eat it. Well, you can bring it if you want. But I don't know if it's good. Huh?
Throw it in your pot.
Huh?
Throw it in your pot.
No, it's not. Please, 1 by 1. Hindi mo na maalat. Maalat siya gawin. Pwede naman masyado maalat. Okay naman. Maganda yung wrapper. Maganda yung wrapper. In fairness sa wrapper. Makapal siya. Pero pag stretchy pa siya, Pero pag diluto, crunchy. Fairness. Lagay natin yung puff pastry sa oven. Tapos sa puff pastry, try natin. Hindi ko alam bilang minuto. First time ko kasi siya lutuin sa puff pastry. 5 minutes. Try natin 5 minutes. Ito lang siya. Ito na yung mga naluto natin. Ayan. May 2 dito.
Yes, we go on and on, collect them all. But I don't care what they say. I like it, I go la 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 la. I like it, I just want. Oh baby, say it and make it a day the brighter day. I like it, I go la 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 la. I like it, I just want. Oh baby, it's alright to be right. Goes on and on, yeah. 사라질까 두려워, fight for it. To make it stay just fine, yeah, yeah. I like it, I go on.
ông này quen ông đó rồi nó đâu kiếm gà mình nữa đâu.
Okay, you can
Nó
help
ông
me.
đó rồi như sư phụ mình rồi nó kiếm gà ổng luôn chứ kiếm gà mình chi nữa.
Yeah, you can put that one.
Nói chung
Your learning tower there.
nếu mà hai ông
There.
gặp nhau á
Here, your learning tower here. Get me that plate and your sweet chili sauce.
phải chi có em viết lại đọc lại cho mình được trong đó có cái hại mình được cái bạn này thấy trước mắt là cái hại đâu mà không biết cái loại nào.
Okay, go get your learning tower. Put it there. Push it there. Oh, push it lang para hindi tama. No, over there on the other side. On the other side, baby. Push it, push it. Good job. Nag-add ako ng 10 minutes, guys, kasi ano siya, di pa siya luto ng 5 minutes. O, diba? Ayun, o. So, 10 minutes, 4 minutes na lang ang natira sa 10 minutes. So, we'll see kung maluto yan. Do you know how to do it? Yeah? So, this is how you do it. I'll show you. Look at mommy. Mommy put it here. See? Like that, ha? Like straight line. And then, this one's broken. I'll have to do it this way. So like that. Make it straight line.
I can do it. I will do it too.
And then look. I have to do this way to close it.
Yeah, I will
And
do
then
that. I will do that.
Fold.
Oh, I will do that. I will do
And
that.
then, when you fold, look at this. You have to do this on the side. Hoy, look at nice. On the side. So it's closed on the side. And the meat's not going out. And then more fold. And then when you reach there, you have to use your finger to put the egg
Oh, I will do that.
to close it. So it will stick. Okay? This way, make it a triangle. Now, see? You have to make a line here. Okay? More?
What is it?
Put more, Anay. No. This time. Here, facing you. So that's a triangle. More, put more meat. Oh, okay.
Is that? Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Ito na talaga ang
Can
gumagawa.
they roll it now?
Yeah, make it straight first. Straight. Make sure it's not gonna come out. Okay, too much. Put it on the side. Not too close here, because later you have to fold this one. Remember? Okay. Okay. What do you do next?
hai con lấy là vốn.
Okay. So it's not parang hindi.
Nhưng mà
Okay,
bán
go.
con lấy vốn thì mình
Close. Close.
con phải bán nhiều.
Close. Yeah. Close more. Make it tight, ha? So it's not gonna go out. Okay. Roll. Roll. Okay, that's enough. Make it tight so it's not gonna go. Make it tight, baby. Hold here. Make it like
Can
that.
you do it now?
Okay. And then roll. Oh. And then close. And then close the other side. Okay. Now hold both sides. Close. Roll. Tight. Hold tight. Okay. That should be right. That should be okay. And then what you do? Okay, do the egg. The white one only. Make sure it's all wet.
Muốn thì bắt cặp mình bớt vậy.
And also here. Also here, mommy.
Để cái gì đây?
Yeah, on the side, all of this, put the white egg.
Giờ thì nói chung
Mommy's already done.
bấm du sơn qua dọn rồi, rồi bấm lái á. Còn đó
Oh, and then put more outside. Make sure it's closed, baby. I don't think it's closed. See, make sure it's wet too much. Wet a lot.
Let me do it.
Put a
Thì
lot.
sao mà bấm mấy gà tính bán hết à?
It's already slippery.
Yeah, when it's slippery, that means that's okay.
It's already slippery. It's slippery, mommy. Mommy, it's slippery
Yeah. Oh. Oh, see? Don't make it too long. Because if you put it too long, it's gonna be so sticky, okay? Well done, but it's not too tight. Make sure you make it too tight like this next
Oh,
time.
yeah.
Okay?
I would do it.
Do next.
I'm do the last one.
Are you having fun?
I would do it by myself, Mommy.
Okay. Make it straight again. So that's a triangle. Put the meat here.
I will. Mommy, like, see?
Oh.
I mean, like here.
Mắc gì
Yeah.
You can do it straight, like here. Because here, it's kind
Not too close to the end. Only here, because later you have to fold that side.
Cần 10 cái mỏi thì để chắc từ từ đi. Được không? Có gấp không?
Wow, that's perfect. Wow. I love it, baby.
Can I fold
Yeah,
now?
fold on the side.
Like this?
Yes, baby.
Here?
Yeah. And then the other side. Fold tight. Okay. And then I'll fold more. Oh, well done.
And I'm done?
Yes. And then you put the
Hey!
egg. Okay, do it. Oh my God. She is so good. Make it wet a lot, okay? When it's slimy.
The yellow one?
No, not the yellow one, just the white one. When it's slimy, then you can close it straight away. Otherwise, it will get hard.
If it's slippery, that means it's slimy.
Okay, close it.
But yeah. It's not slippery yet. It's already slippery, Mommy. That means it's sticky ready.
Close it.
That's done.
Well done. Yeah. Okay, mommy, just close it here.
Oh, I'm gonna do it too.
Okay, that's it. Well done, baby. Make it tight again because this one is so loose.
So, Luz, that has to be really crunchy.
Really tight.
Let me do it now. Let me just do it by myself.
Are you gonna get ready now?
Not yet. Just wait. You get ready first.
Really?
Are you my boss?
What's your got?
Are you my boss?
I think I want to get ready with you. Just wait a second. I'm just trying to make spring roll with Mommy first.
Yeah.
I will not put on tight.
I'm talking like you're my boss, huh?
I'm your boss.
No.
Not too close, I told you. Put in the middle.
Okay, Mommy.
You're talking like you're my boss, huh? Anya,
Just don't go yet, Daddy. I want to test things with you. Mama, you're not going to come on yet.
I'm not gonna shower yet. I'm gonna come shower when I get home.
Okay. And
Daddy.
where are you going to go?
Huh?
Where are you going?
I'm going with you guys.
Huh?
I'm going with you.
Huh? But you said you're going somewhere.
Oh no, I thought you said we're going shower with you. I'm not going shower with you.
I want to shower with Daddy.
Yeah, okay. Well, go. Oh, that's enough, and then you roll it.
I can roll it ready now.
Already go.
Now.
Close.
Tail.
Wow. Such
Oh, wait.
close.
Move.
Side first.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
This?
Okay, side.
With this?
Mm-hmm.
And I do that
Oh, wait long. Broken, baby. Roll again. Roll.
Now.
Okay, side. Done. Make it tight. I'm sorry. Okay. Put the egg. Well done, baby.
Never let him get you down. Gonna make you stay just fine. 이대로 모자라지도 넘치지도 않아. Cause I got my collection. 따뜻한 물에 bathe. 향기 가득한 로션 촉촉해져. My cocoa bomb. Oh, I don't care what they say. I like it, I go la 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 la. I like it, I just want. Oh baby, say it and make it a day brighter day. I like it, I go la 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 la. I like it, I just want. Oh baby, it's alright to be right. Goes on and on, yeah. 뒤투어 한 개 하얀 벚꽃만 바랬던.
This is the puff pastry, guys. Ayan. Hinati ko yung gusto ko siya matikman. Okay naman siya, in fairness. Pero, mas masarap talaga yung spring roll, syempre. Kasi iba, puff pastry kasi siya. But okay naman, parang same lang din. Iba lang yung pastry. She is ready to go! Yeah.
Where?
Upstairs.
Oh, very good. Let's check when upstairs. Ready?
And Daddy's coming?
Yeah, I knew we were gonna go.
Your hair's still wet. Let me dry your hair first. I'll do your hair first. Come on.
No, if Chick comes around now.
Not yet, because Chick have to shower. So it's gonna take a long time. You have to go do your hair. Come on. Oh, sit down. Dali. You're so funny. Hello people, we are home. And yung dalawa lasing. Where's my sleeper, Pochi? Give it to me. Ano talaga. Si Mia nasa taas na siya. Nag-enjoy siya. Kalaro kay na Scala and Stella. Oh my gosh. Ako kakachika din. Lagay ko lang to sa fridge. Spring roll natin. Nagdala ko ng spring roll doon. Ano gustuhan nila. Masarap daw, guys.